Hello, my Kandor crafters. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're loyal, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful diaper cake for my best friend's baby shower. She absolutely loved it, and ironically, it matched the decor perfectly. And as always, everything that I use will be listed in the description box below. So for the first and most tedious step, it's going to be rolling all of the Pampers. I got the 96 pack of diapers, and I got small rubber bands as well as the larger rubber bands. So the smaller rubber bands are going to be to hold the diapers, and then the larger rubber bands is going to help keep the diapers in place when you wrap it around whatever you put as your middle. When I roll my diapers, I roll them from the top to the bottom, and then when I put my rubber band on, I make sure to put the rubber band more so at the top of the diaper because I will be taking it off once I have everything in place. Once I had all my diapers rolled, it is time for assembly. Okay, so this cake turntable is 100% optional, but when I say that it made my life so much easier, it made it so much easier. I also got a cake board in purple glitter. Can't really see it after, but it soothes my soul to know that it matches the decor of the cake. So yeah, but anyway, of course, the middle, the base, the foundation of my diaper cake is a wine bottle because I know after 9, really 10 long months of carrying such precious cargo, my friend is going to want to drink, okay? She's going to want to drink, and I feel her. I see her. So that's what I did for her. I got her some Stella, something nice to sip on, tastes great, and is nice and sweet, just like she is. So, anyway, I glued that down with some hot glue. Made sure I glued it to the cake base, and I also glued around it. I had to make sure that this thing was stable, okay? Now that I have my foundation down, it is time to get to work. So, I'm just going in and adding in my diapers. I used the larger rubber band to keep all of my diapers in place. And remember when I said that I put the smaller rubber bands that's actually on the diapers more so at the top? I put that up there so it'll be easier for me to take them off once everything is in place, as you can see. I used the ribbon to tighten everything just so I could fit the most amount of diapers that I can. But I will say that if you're gonna use this method, please get some better ribbon because I used the Dollar Tree ribbon, and when I said it kept breaking on me. It kept breaking on me. It was really cheap, but it was $1.25. What did I really expect? So if you do this, then I will suggest to get some stronger ribbon. So this process is a bit repetitive for the first 2 tiers. I just use my large rubber band to hold everything in place and add as many diapers as I need. I use the ribbon to tighten everything, and then I take off the black rubber bands. I take off the black rubber bands, and then I take off the larger rubber band. Quick little tip, the outer tier that people can see, make sure that your diapers are facing inward. What I mean by that is the top where it kind of looks like the bottom of a shrimp. I know I'm fat, don't judge me, but you want the little shrimp tail piece to be on the inside, and you want your outside to be the body, like the actual roll part, because it's just gonna look a little sloppy if you have that part on the outside. I just like things to look a bit more uniformed. Granted, it is your diaper cake, but if you wanted to have a professional look, I suggest that you put the shrimp tail on the inside. But in the words of Auntie Tab Tab, that's your business, okay? Now, when it comes to the top tier, since the bottleneck is skinnier than the actual body of the bottle, I put unfolded, unrolled diapers to fill that space to make it a little bit more plump. And then I put my roll diapers around that. I didn't really care about the aesthetic of the top tier only because I knew that I was putting so many flowers at the top that you wouldn't be able to see the middle part anyway. So as long as that outside looked good, I was good. So once my cake finished baking, aka I finished all the tiers, it is time to decorate, which is honestly my favorite part, of course. So to start off, I'm doing the ribbon. I'm using 7/8 inch and 1.5 inch ribbon. And I just want to note, so for the supplies I did use the little pop dots, the little sticker dots. But when I say that you need hot glue, you need hot glue, okay? You need hot glue. Now, the little dots are good for making sure that your ribbon stays in place in like the middle parts where when you attach it, it may fall down or slide. I did double layer my ribbon, so I'm using 2 different layers, and it's a little hard for my smaller ribbon to stay attached to my bigger ribbon. But with the pop dots, it did help with that when I went back and put those like in the center and stuff like that. But when it comes to actually securing your ribbon around your diaper cake, make sure that you use hot glue and make sure that you don't get any hot glue on the actual diaper. Therefore, make sure that you have enough space on your ribbon when you cut to make sure that the ribbon overlaps. So when you go and put on your hot glue, you won't get it on the actual diaper itself. Also, I want to apologize for the weird angles. I literally did this project in a hotel room in San Antonio, Texas. So when I say I literally bought my Cricut Joy with me, yes, I brought my Cricut Joy with me and all my crafting supplies, and I bought everything that I needed to get for the diaper cake in Texas because it was a lot. And there was no way I was going to make this diaper cake, get it through TSA, and it be unscathed. You feel me? So I had to do this whole project in a hotel room. So I'm so sorry about the angles. But I tried my best. Anywho, back to the diaper cake. Let me tell you, if you don't take nothing else from this video, let me tell you this. If you plan on getting artificial flowers, make sure that you get the wire cutters, not regular scissors like I did. Please get the wire cutters, because when I say that this could have made the process so much easier, probably like 10, 20 times easier if I would have just got the wire cutters and not traditional scissors. Yeah. However, I still made it work. I didn't completely take everything off the stem. I left about at least an inch, if not 2 inches of the stem on the flowers because I wanted to be able to just stick it in there and go without having to glue anything down. You're gonna see me just play with this cake a million, billion, trillion different times. This part is really up to you. Trial and error. What looks good, what works, what doesn't. For me, I knew that I wanted to do this like flower waterfall cascading down the cake. Like that was what I envisioned. So that's what I was going for. I tried it to the right, I tried it to the left. I didn't like it to the left. I went back to the right. I had to make sure that all of my flowers looked good together since I am using 3 different types of purple flowers. I wanted to make sure that everything was cohesive and it just looked nice. It just looked good, you know? So yeah, this part is 100% up to you. Whatever looks good to you. It's all about trial and error. Take your time, and most importantly, have fun. Once I get my flower waterfall cascade complete, it is time for the final touch, which is the little butterflies. Now, like I said, I did bring my Cricut Joy with me, and it just made the process so much easier. And I think it just added a little oomph to the project, if I don't say so myself. You know your girl is extra, so I had to. So yes. This is what it wound up looking like. I could not be happier with the result. I do wish I had more time because I feel like I would have done even better, but I feel like the time that I did have, it came out amazing. And like I said, my best friend really loved it. It matched the baby shower decor freaking perfectly. And if I do have some clips, I'm going to go ahead and add them at the end of this video. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.
What's